Hi everyone, in this lecture, we will learning the while loop. The while loop, the forms like this: while condition statements. It executes a set of statements as long as a condition is true. So if it is true, then it will be execute again and again until the condition becomes false. It's not true anymore. Okay, let's see some concrete examples. Make the case simple. We use this sample. Maybe we make it more simple. We name a number. We are not 10. Maybe we use 5. While the number we write less than greater than 0. That means if this is true, we execute something like every times we minus the number by 1. Maybe you still remember it. We use this assignment operator. Minus 1 is like this. Minus equal 1. It means the number equal to the number minus 1. Okay, if number greater than 0, then this statement will be execute once by once. Okay, until the number less than 0. Let's print the number. Okay, let's run the module. See, we give a name is while loop. You see, we got 4, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0, and hit to 0. Because when the number here, it is 1, for example, we minus or subtract 1, we got 0. But for the condition, number greater than 0 becomes false, because we got number 0. See? Then stopped. So we got 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. This is a loop. Okay? And for example, next, there's a while else loop, like if else. Here's while else. While the condition true, execute the statement. Else, additional statements, we will execute this statement. Okay. Let's maybe continue the example. We needed another example. Here, we use else. we print number, or the number is normal greater than 0. Okay, if number greater than 0, then there's a loop to execute this one, number equals number, abstract 1. We print the numbers. But if number here is normal greater than 0, then we execute this. We tell the people the number is normal greater than 0. So we stop the loop. Okay, let's run. You see here it's 0. Then we got number is normal greater than 0. Stopped. Okay. In the notes, I use just use add 1 every time we add 1, and it's no longer less than 7. Yeah, the similar things. Now we see another. We also can combine while, if, else, or if, if, else, and so on and so forth. Yeah, we can combine them. Let's see a guess number. It is a little bit longer, but here we can see what was it, then we write. Okay, there's guess number. We have for example here we have a word. What's it? We don't know. We just create a word is equal to this quotation. It's a string. See, we only know this is a string. We use while word not equal big. For example, here we just write this. If it is not equal to big, that means the word is big, right? If not big, we asked a word. Input, please input a word with the first letter of a B. We give a hint here, this statement. If word equal big is true, we print great, you got it. That means you already guessed the word with the first letter of B is big. Else, print sorry, it's not correct, please guess it again. Then this loop will be run again and again until you see this one. If the word is big, you guess it's big. Okay, you just run, then you can understand the process. I think there's no need to type it line by line together. Yeah, I will give you the nodes, all the nodes. See, this one, let's run. You see, it asks us, please input a word with the first letter of B. Let's play a little bit. For example, we guess it's but. The first letter is B. It says, sorry, it's not correct. please guess it again. Then ask you, please input a word with the first letter B. We guess boss. It's still wrong. It's not correct. Please put a word again. No, for example, this time we guess it's big. Great, you got it. Then the loop finished. Okay, that's it. And just now I said maybe there's a if, else, if, else. There's more if conditions here. Okay. Okay. And maybe sometimes we use break statement. The break statement will stop the loop even if the while condition is still true. Let's see this example. N equals to 1, while n less than 7, we just add 1 to n until the n greater than 7, greater or equal, because here is less than. Okay, then stop. This is the while, but here we want a condition here. If n equal to 4 is truth, if we execute this loop, we got n is 4. So we ask to break. Even here, n is still less than 7, but we asked for additional condition n equals to 4. If this meet, then stop the loop. Okay, let's see. This is a break. Use break to stop the loop. You see, exactly we got 4. Oh, sorry, because here still the execute the guess number. Yeah, we just put big because all these code are in a same file. For your practice, maybe you can create different files. Okay, here we got 2 less than 7, continue to add 1 to 2. We got 3, it is still less than 7. Then we add 1 to 3, we got 4. Oh, this time we execute this condition n equal to 4. Oh, we got equal to 4. Break, stop. Okay, that's the meaning. The continuous statement. We also have a continuous statement. We can stop the current iteration and continue with the next. That means they are stop, but the difference between continue and the break is continue is break, but then continue. That means it just skip this condition. Let's see, n is 1 while n less at the same. If n equal to 4, we continue print. We continue, then print n. That means here, maybe we just modify, maybe I write another one. Here we write continue statement if n equal to 4 is true, we continue. To run all the file, all these code from beginning, we write big. So we got 2, 3, 4, 5, then we increase it by 1. You see we here, I think it's here 4, 2, 3, 5, 6. Oh, sorry, because here this is the last statement. 2, 3, 4. This is another. Maybe here we write something. This is the problem of one file. We just print we print something like this. That means we start something else. Divide it, this code. Still write big. Or big, not big. See, this one. We got 2, 3, 5, 2, 5 is still less than 7, then we add 1. We get, I think from here, sorry, it's here. This is add 1. 3, we add 1. It's less than 7, but it is equal to 4. So we skip this 4, then continue. You see here is 2, 3. It should be 4, but here the 4 condition is meet, so there's a break. Continue. Okay, that's mean. So just you just understand here is the means we skip this number, then continue. That means. So it's 2, 3, skip 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's the meaning. Okay, this is the lecture. For the next lecture, we will learning the loop, for loops. Okay, thank you. See you then.